Yo, it's your boy Crypto Cowboy back at it again, stuffing these duffel bags and collecting that cheddar. Before I begin, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a friend trying to educate you. Alright, today we're going to be talking about SpaceRat. It was originally on Fantom, but now it's on Matic, or Polygon now. It's just like MoonRat that we all know and love, the legendary BSC token, but this is now, yet again, on Polygon. So let's check it out. Welcome to the new world. SpaceRat Polygon is the first of its kind revolutionary yield farming protocol built on Matic Network. The mechanism is simple. You earn Matic just by holding SpaceRat or SRAT in your wallet. SRAT is a fork of the legendary MoonRat, bless up, SMRAT, that did more than 1,000 times in the BSC ecosystem. With the help of our community and our marketing plans, we are confident that we have what it takes to take SRAT to space. All right? They're confident. Love it. I've been tracking this project for a while, but let's continue. About SpaceRat. SpaceRat is a community-driven project built on Matic Network. Only a small amount of tokens will be allocated for presale. 3 functions occur during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. SpaceRat brings the most revolutionary mechanism to Matic ecosystem. Earn Matic just by holding SRAT token. You're probably asking yourself, what? How is this possible? Well, basically, people get in on this token. There's a small transaction fee. And, well, small tax fee, my bad, and it's in this pool where, or they split the Matic into a pool, and basically you can claim every single day, but it seems like you earn Matic just by holding SRAT, so it's not exactly like MoonRat was on the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm very excited, actually, but let's continue. 1. Transparency and community driven. A small amount of tokens will be allocated for presale. Dev added 80% of the token supply to liquidity pool on QuickSwap at the launch. All right, so they had 80% of the token supply to the liquidity pool, so that's really going to boom. But also, I wonder where the other 20% is going. Maybe it's for devs or whatever. Well, devs, marketing, blah blah blah. As we read on, let's see. Automatic liquidity pool. 1% of every transaction contributes towards automatically generating further liquidity on QuickSwap, benefiting all SRAT holders. All right, I'm liking that style. Okay, the juicy part: earn Matic by holding SRAT. 5% of every transaction is sent and redistributed to Matic and SRAT pool. Every holder can claim it daily. Okay, so it's sent to a pool where you can claim Matic every single day. All right. Anti-pump dump exist whales. Transaction of more than 0.05% of the total supply will be rejected to prevent whales/bots. All right. I love this anti-whale behavior. I love that they're anti-whale because I hate it when they dump. You know what I mean? All right. Token information. Tokenomics, 1 quadrillion SRAT. 50% will be raised through presale, 40% will be locked in the liquidity pool, 5% will be burned, 5% will be used for marketing and development. Okay, so that's kind of where it says 5%, so I guess the dev gets to keep 20%, as we saw earlier. And let's see the roadmap. Q2, smart contract design, testnet, white paper, website launch, marketing, presale, audit control, contract, dear Lord, control. All right, price tracking on websites, listing on CoinGecko, CMC, Blockfolio. They're already on CoinGecko. They're going to build a DAX, decentralized exchange. They're going to build an IDO platform on the Matic Network. They're going to have NFT SpaceRat, partnerships, rollout, more marketing, listing on centralized exchanges, and more coming soon. All right, and there's a frequently asked questions: how many Matic can I claim? If you hold like the percentage of SRAT in the total supply, you'll also be able to claim the amount in the pool of claiming. All right. What is the Matic pool? 5% of every transaction is taken and redistributed to all SpaceRat holders of Matic. This amount of Matic is called the Matic pool. Well, if I don't claim Matic reward in my cycle, if you don't claim at your cycle and other holders claim, the Matic pool will reduce. So then the ratio of your SRAT / Matic pool reduces as well. That's why you should claim as soon as your cycle is ready. So that makes a lot of sense. Skip out on a day, your percentage of the pool gets lower and lower. So they want you to be very active in the community. And as you can see, there's 1 quadrillion SRAT. There's about 1,149 addresses currently holding this. But how Matic works is going to go up and up and up. You know, well, I mean, it's been pumping, but also there's more room to grow. So we'll see in the near future. I mean, I'm definitely in on this for sure. Now, SpaceRat Twitter. Let's see. They got 12 tweets so far. And they got 11,000 followers. And what did they pin 10 hours ago? We just got listed on CoinGecko in under 2 days. Please take 1 minute out of your day to put SRAT in your favorites. It will greatly help to put us in trending and grow the community. So if you're already in, bam, you got to hit the favorite. But if not, I don't know what to tell you. Sorry for the cut. The tree guy came over and kind of interrupted things, so now we're back at it. So this is SpaceRat's medium. All right, let's see. Thank you for all your support. We are just getting started. These are our only official social media channels. Do not follow anything else, and you got to kind of flip back and forth between Fantom and Polygon. So hello, welcome to SpaceRat Fantom, also known as Polygon. SpaceRat Polygon is the first of its kind revolutionary yield farming protocol built on Polygon Network. The mechanism is simple. You earn Polygon, Matic, just by holding SRAT in your wallet. SRAT is a fork of the legendary MoonRat, blah, 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 blah. Here are the social media channels. SpaceRat Polygon for Medium and Reddit. Telegram, SpaceRat Polygon. All of it's SpaceRat Polygon except for the announcement channel and the Discord. I think those two you can still click and they're fine. Same with I'm not too sure about SpaceRat Fantom. It might have changed. Let's see what's next. Let's look at the chart. All right, they've been up for around 24 hours, so steady. Went up, went down a little bit, but then is climbing and climbing. Newer highs, higher highs, and higher lows. All right, so I ain't mad at that. Now let's continue. Quick swap interface. 300 Matic will get you 181,677,000,000 of these SRAT tokens on Matic. So SRAT tokens. So what? I thought I brain farted there. So what do I think about this project? I dig it. I think it's definitely a huge thing to mimic MoonRat, but be on the Matic platform. There's something there. There's definitely something there, but what do I know anyways? I'm just keeping you up to date on the down low. But yeah, I guess I'll see you later, partner.